In this video, pag-usapan natin in a little bit more detail ang difference between an RTR and a kit. Ang RTR, it basically stands for Ready to Run. When you buy the RC, kasama na yung transmitter, kasama na yung RC itself, kasama na rin yung battery, kasama rin yung charger. So pag bumili ka ng RTR, ang gagawin mo na lang, kakargahan mo ng AA or AAA batteries yung transmitter mo, kakabit mo yung battery, i-charge mo, lalaruin mo na lang. Yun ang beauty ng RTR kits. It's perfect for beginners wanting to get their feet wet in RC. Now, if you want to be a little bit more advanced, kukunin mo naman yung kit. Pag bumili ka ng Tamiya kit, what you get is a buttload of parts inside this box. So you will be asked to follow the instruction manual step by step in order to build your kit. Once you complete your kit, you will most likely end up with something like this. This RC that I'm holding right now, which is a TT02 from Tamiya, started off as a kit. Paano ba gumagana to nasa loob? Paano ba gumagana yung gearbox sa harap? Paano gumagana yung center drive shafts? Paano ko ba winner up natin ng electronics? Alam ko yun. Bakit? Kasi I built this one from scratch. That's the beauty of having a kit. Ano naman ang downsides? When you buy a kit, of course, walang kasamang electronics. With Tamiya kits, you normally get the motor, but you don't get the ESC. You have to buy this separately. You also do not get the servo for your steering. You need to also buy that separately. Tamiya kits will cost you around 6,000 to 7,000 pesos for the kit alone, which only sometimes includes a motor and a body. Though itong hawak ko hindi to Tamiya body, basher body. At the end of the day, buying your first RC will solely be up to you. Do you want to learn the whole process of building the RC from scratch, putting it all together, and having the satisfaction of seeing it run? Remember, kailangan mo bumili ng separate radio, chargers, and batteries. The fun in getting a kit is the whole build process. Gusto mo bang mag-build at matuto? O gusto mo na lang maglaro? Last 2 episodes in this series, let's talk about a very important thing that all beginners should know and understand. Chargers and batteries.